Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have on mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Nexo in a real sense is expected to generally arrive at a greatest cost of $3.35 constantly 2025 in an unpretentious manner. Long-haul investigation recommends that Nexo cost might actually flood to $1,729 by 2050, with a very expected range somewhere in the range of $1,658 and $1,868, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Experts project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $22.39 mark, which in every practical sense is very critical. The negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2040 sort of is $1,159, with an extremely possible pretty high of $1,371. Constant information shows Nexo truly is exchanging at $138. Starting around 01 Walk 2024 Nexo generally is exchanging at $138 in term of its OST rate with a value change of some 14% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they thought. Nexo most certainly has a kind of all-out market cap of $770, 185, 496 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1278, 834 in a genuinely enormous manner. This in every practical sense makes Nexo sort of positioning at 108 in the digital money market, which truly is very critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo really be exceptionally worth in 2024? Is Nexo an excellent venture, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought? Will Nexo cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking? These are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in a very large manner. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Nexo cost most certainly is supposed to really cross a kind of normal value level of $0.95, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $188, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, Nexo can in every way that really matters arrive at an extremely greatest value level of 212 in an especially significant manner. Nexo value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Nexo truly is gauged to truly be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $125, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Nexo value worth can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $0.41 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $137 in earnest in a fundamentally huge way. Nexo value figure Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Nexo sort of is determined to fundamentally be at around a truly least worth of $137, which basically is very critical. The Nexo value worth can for the most part arrive at an essentially limit of $1.47 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $1.42 in OST incredibly. Nexo value expectation April 2024. The cost for Nexo in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.41 and $1.53, which essentially is very huge. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to be around $1.48, or so they basically thought. Nexo value estimate May 2024. The Nexo figure for May 2024 expects that the Nexo may fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $159 with a sort of least cost of around $1.47, which really is very critical. Discussing the really normal value Nexo can in a real sense stretch around $154 for May, showing how the negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2040 most certainly is $159, with a very possible high of $1,371 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value gauge June 2024. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Nexo could commonly go to $160 toward the finish of June 2024, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo could explicitly be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $167 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $153, which truly is very critical. Nexo value gauge July 2024. the Nexo cost for July 2024 may, in every way that really matters, arrive at an especially least worth of $0.60, while the fundamentally most extreme gauge cost truly is around $0.75, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. The in every way that really matters, normal cost for Nexo by and large is truly anticipated to, for the most part, reach $0.66 in July 2024 in a genuinely huge way. Nexo value figure August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Nexo by and large is somewhat anticipated to explicitly arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.73, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.81 and an essentially least of $0.66, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Nexo sort of is gauged to, for the most part, be at around a base worth of $0.72 in an in every practical sense significant way. The Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.90, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.78 in USD, which fundamentally is very huge. Nexo value expectation October 2024. The cost of Nexo for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach at a kind of least worth of $0.75 in October 2024, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.97, with a really normal exchanging worth of $0.82 all through 2024 in a genuinely huge manner. Nexo value gauge November 2024. The normal cost of Nexo could generally go to $0.87 toward the finish of November 2024, or so they generally thought. Nexo could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $2.4 with the kind of least expected cost of $0.82 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value gauge December 2024. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Nexo could especially go to $0.95 toward the finish of December 2024, or so they fundamentally thought. Nexo could truly be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $2.12 with the base expected cost of $0.88, showing how examiners project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $22.39 mark. Nexo especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost sort of has shown a great increment of 2% in the very most recent 24 hours in a by and large enormous manner. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Nexo basically was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 58% in a very huge manner. Nexo especially has shown areas of strength for commonly potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo value estimate 2024 facts. What will generally be Nexo worth in 2024 in a very significant manner? The Nexo cost in a real sense is determined